Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Learn with Mafaza. In this video, we will dive into basic statistical concept for data cleaning. It's a key step in preparing data for analysis. Let's break down these concepts and learn how they help us clean and understand data. Data cleaning is one of the most important steps in data science because clean data leads to accurate and reliable data. This statistic helps us find patterns in our data, spot mistakes, missing values, or unusual entries, and organize and prepare our data for analysis. Descriptive statistic is all about summarizing and understanding data. It gives us a clear picture of the data before diving deeper. It includes measure of center like mean, median, and mode, measure of spread, range, standard deviation, and IQR, and visual tools like charts and graphs to help us see patterns and trends. Let's talk about mean. Mean is the average value of any observations, and there is a standard formula for finding mean. To find the mean, you have to sum all of the values in the data set, and you have to divide the sum of the data values by the number of values. For example, if you have 5 data set and you have to add all those 5 data set and you have to divide them by 5. If you have 5 test scores like 85, 90, 88, 92 and 87, so when you want to find the mean, you have to add all these 5 numbers and you have to divide them by a number of values, 5. So you have to add 85 plus 90 plus 88 plus 92 plus 87 and you have to divide them by 5. And the total will be 442 and divided by 5 equal 88.4. So the mean test score is 88.4. So the same concept can be applied with large set of data, for example 30,000, 100,000 or Next, let's talk about median. Median is the middle value of any data set. For example, if I have 40, 45, 50, 61 and 70, the total is 5 numbers and the middle value is the third one, 50. So 50 is the median. So there is some ways to find the median. So first, you have to arrange the data set in ascending order. If your data set is not in order, you have to arrange them from smaller to larger values. After that, you have to count the values, like how many data are there in that data set. So there can be two situations. The count can be odd number and the count can be even number. If it is an odd number count, there is a different formula to find the median. So you have to add 1 plus the count and you have to divide it by 2 and the value or place will be the median. So if I have like 5 and I have to add plus 1, so 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Third value is the median value. Likewise, you have to find the median for odd number count. If it is an even number count, you have to use a different formula. Like you have to divide the number of values by 2 and you have to find that element, and you have to find n divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 and that value, and you have to add those two values and divide them by 2. So let's see an example for that. The age group of friends are 23, 24, 27, 22, 25, 29, and 26. So this is not in ascending order. So we have to arrange them in ascending order in order to find the median age. So the first smallest number is 22, 23, 24, 25, 27. 26 and 29. So you have to find the median, you have to count the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is an odd number. So if it is an odd number, you have to add plus 1 with the count. So 7 plus 1 equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So fourth value is the median. So fourth value is 25. So median age of this friends group is 25. Let's see another example for a median. In a race, the times in seconds for 6 runners are 38, 42, 36, 39, 41 and 37. So in order to find the median, you have to arrange the data first. 36, 37, 38, 39, 41 and 42. And then I have to count the data. So there are 6 numbers. So 6 is an even number. So if it is an even number, you have to use the second formula, which is n divided by 2, that value plus n divided by 2 plus 1 and that value, and you have to divide all two elements by 2. And 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2 plus 1, and you have to divide them by 2. So third element plus fourth element. So third element is 38 and the fourth element is 39. So you have to add 38 and 39 and you have to divide them by 2. So the value is 38.5. So the time in second, median time in second is 38.5. The next one is mode. Mode means most common numbers, like which number appears most of the time. So in a data set, let's say a value appears many times, like for example 5 times or 6 times or 10 times, whatever. So if a specific value appears more than one time or many times, you can take it as a mode. For example, I have 1, 5, 5, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 12. So here 5 appears 3 times. So here in this data set 5 is the mode. Other values like 1, 7, 8, 10, 12 comes only one time. So those are not the mode, only 5 is the mode. And in one data set, there can be have more than one modes. For example, two numbers can become many times, or three numbers can come many times in a data set like 45, 50, three times 72, 82, 88, and 88 comes three times like 90, 90 two times, and likewise you can have a data set. In this data set, 50 appears three times and 88 appears three times. So here 50 and 88 are the mod values. So here we can take 50 and 88 as mod. Another example, like I have 18 four times, and 19 two times, 20 two times, 23 two times, and 28 three times, like 50 four times, like 91, 100, 1001, like data. Here if you see, 18 and 50 appears four times. So here the mod is 18 and 50. You can't take 28 as a mod because it is lesser than 4. If two values come the same count, so you can take them as a mod. You can't take other values as a mod if it is appears more than one time also. So which is appears highest time is the mod in a data set. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.